Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Roblox voice chat settings and device preferences, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, launch the Roblox application on your device. Sign into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu. You can find the settings option by clicking on the gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the privacy tab. Click on the Privacy tab to view your voice chat settings. Review your voice chat settings to see if they are configured to your preference. If adjustments are needed, modify the settings as desired. Next, take note of your device audio settings. On your device, access the audio settings through the main settings menu. Make sure to keep a record of your microphone and speaker configurations. If using a headset, check its specific audio settings for optimal performance. For mobile devices, ensure you have granted Roblox permission to access your microphone. After adjusting your settings, it is advisable to run a test to ensure everything is working. Return to Roblox and join a private game or a testing area to try the voice chat feature. Engage with a friend or use a secondary account for testing. If everything works correctly, your settings are successfully backed up. To secure these settings, consider taking screenshots or jotting them down. You can also document the steps in a text file for future reference. Now, you have a comprehensive guide on how to back up your Roblox voice chat settings and device preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.